Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series, and we are making a recipe for English muffins. I actually thought of this as I was on the phone with my mother, and as I was talking to her, she said she was eating an English muffin, and I thought to myself, I haven't made those on the channel yet. I should. So, let's get started. This is kind of a quick version. The classic version takes days. We need 2 3/4 cups or 330 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons sugar, 3/4 cup or 180 milliliters of milk, half a cup or 120 milliliters of water, 3 tablespoons butter, 1 egg, cornmeal. Start out by adding the water and sugar to the milk. Heat briefly in the microwave until it feels warm but not hot to the touch. While you're at it, melt the butter. Stir in the yeast. Add the salt to the flour. Stir the melted butter and egg into the milk mixture. Then, in a large mixing bowl, combine flour mixture with milk mixture. Dough will be stickier than most bread dough. Cover and allow to rise for an hour. Deflate the sticky dough, tip onto a floured surface, adding more flour to the top to keep it from being too sticky to handle. Press into a flat surface and use a circle cutter or a cup to cut out the dough. Place on a lined baking sheet dusted with cornmeal. Repress the leftover dough until you don't have any more. Allow to rise another 30 minutes. Then, in a dry skillet on medium heat, I used 4 out of 9, dust with cornmeal and place dough rounds into the skillet and cover. Allow to cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Then turn and allow to cook another 5 to 6 minutes. Between the muffins, clean out the browned cornmeal and replace it with new before adding more dough to the skillet. These English muffins are lovely and still have the holes despite not rising for days. My kids love them, and we turned them into egg and cheese muffins. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.